In this video, we're going to be talking about Solana. We're going to be analyzing the price of Solana to see where price is heading, basically giving a technical analysis on the price, essentially, as price is currently up 5.28% at the time of recording. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. And as well as that, before investing into Solana, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking at Solana on CoinMarketCap, you can see that price is up 5.28%, roughly trading around $87.18. You can see here we did reach the highs of $89.4, and then at the start of the day we did reach the lows of $81. So it looks like price is looking bearish on this. On the 9th onwards, they just went parabolic, and yeah, it's looking good. We're taking out this liquidity, taking out this break, pretty much having a break of structure essentially, and having like changing character within price. And if we go over to trading view to have a bit more in-depth analysis, so if you knew about last time, I did say that price would come into this demand zone. But let me just quickly remove this one. Actually, let me just turn the visibility off. Oh yeah, okay, so yeah, you can see here, right, price pretty much came into this demand zone, and then we had an accumulation schematic basically play out. Let me just quickly mark this out for you, man. You get me? Okay, schematic. So you can see here that we did have an accumulation schematic, selling climax, secondary test, spring, retest, and then boom, price went parabolic. Nice little break of structure, looking good. I feel like price will come back down to retest a few major, possibly even demand zones essentially, or we could draw a Fibonacci, and then from this onwards we could have a little bit of a reaction from this side. You never know when it comes to the 0.618 region or even the 0.786 region. I think this mainly I think the price pretty much went bullish due to the overall Bitcoin popping off as well. You can see here Bitcoin did have this accumulation schematic confirmed. See, we had the selling climax, a secondary test, in phase B, then we had the spring, and then we had the retest, and then from then on we went parabolic. As you know, the overall market is bullish, which is really nice to see. But if we go back to Solana, what else can we say about Solana? Let me go into the 4 hour essentially. So yeah, you can see here that we are pretty much nicely in a bullish. It looks like we're having a change in character, but hopefully this is my main target for Solana at the moment. Hopefully we can break past this region, as this was the last lower high that pretty much made the next lower low. Pretty much had that. This was the one that made the break of structure of this zone. This demand zone was invalidated from this lower high, and then once we reach that, we could possibly even start to reach the highs, and even take out the double top of this, essentially the $106, which would be really nice when it comes to Solana, as Solana's price has dropped majorly over the past few months. Yeah, so that would be the main two targets, and then from then onwards, we would have to go into the daily, because you know price is going to be going a bit crazy. And then from then on, we'll see, yeah, you can pretty much see that price was from $258, and price came back down to essentially the lows of $75.6, which is crazy. That is a crazy amount of. So you possibly could even 3, 4, 5x your initial investment if you had invested round about here. And pretty much probably the best time to buy in from this demand zone. It was a very strong demand zone. You can see here it's been tapped in once and pretty much respected, which is really nice. If we drop into the 4 hour, yeah, so you can see here that we did have an accumulation, and we had a distribution, which therefore led towards the downwards trend. And then from here, it looks like we're having another accumulation, which we did cause a double top to occur. But hopefully from this small little accumulation schematic, we can have another rise towards upside. But we're gonna have to wait and see on current market conditions for Solana as well. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs.